Hello everyone. Today the match start. The match is between the India and the Bangladesh. Now let's see who will win the toss. Toss is going on. Waiting for decision. Bangladesh won the toss. Give bat to the Indians. Now it is the 20 over contest match. India vs Bangladesh. First ball is going on. Wow. As usual, the two opening partnership, the two opening new batsmen is coming. Rohit Sharma and Surya Kumar Yadav. First ball, Rohit Sharma took 2 runs. Now second ball is coming. Oh, what a sweep! Six by the Surya Kumar Yadav. What a six by the Surya Kumar Yadav. Oh, great boundary by the Rohit Sharma. Score come at 3.3 over 34 runs. Ball in the air, wicket. Surya Kumar Yadav is out on the 14 run. At the 10 balls. 34 run for first wicket at the 3.4 overs. Run rate 9.27. Ball is in the air. Oh, Virat Kohli is out by the Shaful Islam at the first ball. What is India doing? What is Virat Kohli doing? Two big batsmen is out. Again, what a six at the cover. Last over of the power play. India at least make the good score. Oh, what a ball, what a wicket. Useless shot by the Rishabh Pant. What is Pant doing? Again wicket. Wicket is falling. Rohit Sharma, Indian captain, is gone at the 29 runs at the 17 balls. What India do? Ravindra Jadeja and Rinku Singh are on the crease. 6 overs power play. India lose the 4 wickets. How much run India put on the board to win this contest? At least 160 to 170. 2 runs taken by the Ravindra Jadeja. 4 main batsmen is out. Rohit Sharma, Virat Kohli, Surya Kumar Yadav is out. Rishabh Pant is also out. Ball is in the air. Safe landed between the fielders. Luck with the Ravindra Jadeja. India used to play and used to manage a big partnership of 50 to 60 runs. Doesn't take the risk too much. Oh, luck and great fielding by the Bangladesh. Due to the great fielding and great bowling, Bangladesh want to restrict the Indians under 150. Next ball. Oh, wicket. Rinku Singh is out on the ball of Shakib Al Hasan. There are lots of spinners. Lots of spinner at the Bangladesh. The pitch is very slow, hard. Outfield is wet. How much run India used to manage to give the competition? Shakib Al Hasan is coming. First over 16 runs is given by Shakib Al Hasan. Great shot by the Ravindra Jadeja. Great boundary. Beddu, you can do it. Oh, beautiful. I make great boundary. Oh, Cotton Bolt by the Shakib Al Hasan. 2 fours given at that over and what a comeback by Shakib Al Hasan. Hardik Pandya is coming. Third Bangladesh is at that over. 1 wicket is also taken by the Shakib Al Hasan. Again, is it boundary or ball the stop? 66 ball are remaining at the first inning. Cotton Bolt. Great bowling by the Bangladesh. Again wicket 88, 87 for 8. India, come on Indians. Oh, again out. 9 wicket is fallen down. Jasprit Bumrah, Hardik Pandya is on the crease. At least 10 overs is remaining. Great boundary over the cover by the Hardik Pandya. Come on Pandya, took the Indian above the 120. Oh, beautiful boundary to take the India to the 101. At that stage, Hardik Pandya playing a great inning. This run, oh, 6. Great 6 by the Pandya.
Yep.
This one is very important to the Indians by the Hardik Pandya. Now, oh, beautiful shot by the Pandya. 39 runs, 14 balls. Great batting by the Hardik Pandya, despite of having the good pace. Oh, what a flick! What a grounded shot by the Pandya. Great boundary by the Hardik Pandya. Great boundary. Hardik Pandya reach at the 49 runs and 18 balls. Come on, Pandya. You can make your 50. Ball is in the air. Luck. Luck. Great 50 by the Hardik Pandya. Very great 50. 51 runs at the 19 balls. Great 50. Took the India to the respective total. Respective total. Come on, Pandya. Wow. What a 6. What a 6. Oh, Hardik Pandya is out. Great inning by the Pandya to reach the India at the respective total. Now India want to defend 149 runs. Let's see. Bangladesh inning is on. First ball is going on. Oh, 0 run. Kuldeep Yadav take the first ball. Bangladesh want to score at least 40 to 50 runs because pitch is very slow due to the moisture. Pitch is very slow. 3 balls are seen to be very slow. There is also difficult sweep, but ball is going very slow. Outfield is wet. Yes, there is an advantage. India can took the advantage or not. Let's see Jadeja is coming.
Wait there.
Sweep. Ball is stopped. Outfield is wet. Very much difficult for the Bangladesh to score at that pitch. If India has to took only 1 to 2 wicket, there is a very much benefit for the Indians to win this game. 8 runs at the 2.4 overs. Bangladesh play very safe. After seeing the Indian innings, wickets are flowing, but one player, Hardik Pandya, took the India at that stage where the India can compete this T20. Because despite of Pandya inning, no one, either Virat Kohli, Rohit Sharma, have to reach the 40 runs. Rohit Sharma made 27 runs of 19 balls. Run rate is 3.1. Run rate is flowing. Bangladesh is playing safe. This is not a great mind strategy of Bangladesh to put the wicket, not take any risk. Indians are Juvendra Chahal is very clever bowling. Very clever bowler. If Bangladesh are playing at that speed rate, oh, single only. Defend 130 at oh. Again single. Slow start by the Bangladesh. What a hit. What a direct hit. But unfortunately, few batsman is in the crease. Required run rate is flowing above the 8. Near 9. Sweep, but ball is stopped. 6 overs, 17 runs. What Bangladesh is doing. India reach at the 52 for 2. No. Bangladesh take the risk. Ratan Das playing very poorly. 23 balls, 9 runs. The strike rate is low than the 50. Oh, again great fielding by Indians. Took the charge, at least Ratan Das took the charge. And Shantu took the charge. What Ratan Das is doing? Single boundary is not coming. Take the risk. 10 wickets are in hands. What Bangladesh do? Indian spinners put the pressure. Ball by ball. Jadeja behind the ball. Great Jaddu, great. Great Jaddu. Come on Bumrah. Take the wicket. Put the pressure on the Bangladesh. Oh sweep, but ball is stopped. 34 runs, 9 overs. Bangladesh think that he can play the safe. They can play the safe, but run rate is not a 6, is 3.82. What Bangladesh is doing? Why they cannot take the risk without risk? As like that, the Hardik Pandya and the Indian players. This total is seen to be very high due to the great bowling of India. 144 run total, like above the 250 to 260 for the Bangladesh. 43 for 0. 11.4 overs. 8.2 over are remaining. Run required, run rate above the 12.24. What Bangladesh are doing? What Bangladesh are doing? Ones and the twos doesn't make the team win. 4s and 6s are needed by Bangladesh. Again, great over by the Indians. Required run rate 14.77. If 2 or 3 overs are like that, there will be the formality for the India. 50-run partnerships between these twos. Lots of ball are wasting by the Ratan Das. Oh, 14 overs gone, 50 runs. Is Bangladesh is serious for that match? What can we do? Only 2 overs, and it became the formality for the India to win this game easily due to the batting of the Hardik Pandya. It's like a pressure on the Bangladesh team. What is the mindset of Bangladesh? No 4, no 6s. Oh, sweep. 48 balls, Ratan Das 23 run. Bad batting. Yuzvendra Chahal is coming. 5 overs are left. 91 run. 18.20. Come on, Bangladesh. Great bowling by the Yuzvendra Chahal, Kuldeep Yadav, Hardik Pandya, Jasprit Bumrah. Last partnership between the Jasprit Bumrah and Hardik Pandya. Wow, ball is going on. Fielders is under the. Oh, good. Only 2 runs. Oh, 10 balls, 81 runs. India win this game very easily. Formality for the Bangladesh. Formality for the Bangladesh to win this game. Formality for the India to win this game. Very poor approach by the Bangladesh to put the 10 wicket. 19 overs are gone. Last over 78 runs. What Bangladesh is doing? Great comeback by the Indians after the falling of 9 wickets at the last stage. Great partnership between the Jasprit Bumrah and Hardik Pandya became a hero with the 51 runs at the 19 balls. Last 2 bowlers coming. Ratan Das 33 runs, 65 balls. Congratulations to the India for the comeback after falling out from 9 wickets. Wow! India win comfortably by the margin of half runs. 7